Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before I start, I just want to give a shout out to my new members that are on my channel now. You can see their names on the right. Thank you for supporting me, guys. I really appreciate that. So today's video basically is going to be something that one of my subscribers mentioned, that there was an issue with the snap of the apps center using Steam. If you use Steam for whatever reason and you use this version, and when you try to open it up, you will notice here on your settings that the voice is a voice input error. Like it says that the mic is not here, like there's nothing there. But if you go into your settings of your computer and go to here sound, you can see very clearly, like right now as I am talking, there's movement here. So it detects it. Even if I want to do a test, it works. So we found out that the way to fix this is basically by let me just minimize this. Now I'm gonna close this off. We found that we can use this command here that I have, this command here, to that little issue. So we're gonna go ahead and just run it. I'll copy that, open up your terminal, paste that in there, put in your password, and now the issue should be solved, and now you should be able to see the default. But right now, if you check again, it's not gonna be there. So we actually, to see that it actually worked, we need to restart Steam. So we need to forcibly close it off. Here, exit Steam, shut it down, and back to the App Center. Let's open it up. If you want to see a more detailed guide about this part, I will link in the description below. One of our members left a guide on how to do it as well. So now we open it here, Steam, go to settings again, voice, and default, and there it is. Now it actually detects this, and you can do a microphone test, and that will just work. So that was basically a simple issue for those that do not know how to fix it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little simple video that I had for you guys. As always guys, I thank you for watching, and I thank my members for watching as well, and subscribing for me, for supporting me, and I hope to see you in the next one guys. You have a good one now. Goodbye now.